Hi, so today is that day in a lady's life, So, apparently, I told myself that I'll stay with this hair for like 2 months. And right now it's 1.5 months, and look at the hairline. Look at that. It looks pathetic. Yeah, so I guess we can't get to 2 months, so I have to remove it, and today is that day when I'm removing it. But it has served me. I loved it. I love the hair. It goes well with my skin. Yeah, so I wanna head to the salon to get it undone and put another hairstyle. I'm gonna show you the new hairstyle. I don't know how long we'll stay with that hairstyle, but I'm thinking long term. Actually, I don't like going to the salon. I don't like going to the salon. I don't like people touching my head. So I try as much as possible to do long lasting hairstyle. So I'm thinking of a long lasting hairstyle, and guess which one it's gonna be. And ta-da! My new hairstyle. You guys, the previous hairstyle really messed my hairline. I wouldn't advocate for it. I don't know. But it really messed my hairline, so I decided to lock my hair away so that I can be able to get back my hairline. Yeah, so in the meantime, I'll just be using gel around my hairline. But I'm gonna stay with this for a while. Look at that. Look at how beautiful that hairstyle is. I love it. So that's my new hairstyle, you guys, and you will see me in this for as long as I want, because I can actually stay with these locks for up to 8 months if I want to. So I'll decide whether I'll remove it within a few months or I'll take it to full term, but we'll see how it goes. Anyway, the whole point is I don't want my hair disturbed. I want my hairline to grow back. It's pretty messed up right now. Yeah, and I want my hair to grow in both volume and in length, and I also want to save money. Yeah, so 2024 we have locked our hair, and we'll see how it goes. I also did my nails. I also did my nails. I've wanted to install locks for as long as possible. I've done it twice, but the previous 2 times I did the same locks. I just reused them. So the first time I did locks for 6 months. Then the second time, after 2 years, I did it again for 6 months. I reused the same locks. It was plain black, and then I didn't. This time I decided to have black and brown and have it curly. Yeah, and I love it. I love it, you guys.